Okay, welcome back to D1 Trade. This is D1. Today is June the 12th, 9:31 a.m. PDT. So we experienced a sudden huge spike yesterday, and I get below one count. And the thing after this is in the uptrend and sideways, and break of structure, and we have a clear support level, and this is the channel. So if nothing goes wrong, then the uptrend should continue. So I'll put it here now. This is sideways in the middle of the channel. I should not put in a trade. Ideally, I should wait for the price action arrive here and look for long opportunity. Well, I should not look for short opportunity here. Unless it finish this like something, then you will never know this is gonna be the peak. Sometimes because the uptrend is so strong. Oh, will it trigger our limit order? No. So I just put a limit order here and it does not get triggered. It's sideways, but it does not trigger. Why? I think it's one or two ticks away. Wow. Mm-hmm. So unless it close above this line, then we cannot confirm the continued uptrend. We are not pulling the bet. Uh, I think it's the same reason for same logic for yes. See, he just does not close above right there. It's still sideways. No, this time it's still sideways. So we don't put in the bet. Oops. Yeah, this is Wells chart. It's not easy to use for the drawing the trend line something. Sometimes just because it cannot move up and down, it's not like oh, pay attention. Let me try the buy here, and the complementary order is here. It looks like it's trying to move up, and in the last minute, same thing. Not same thing. For ES is still in sideway of NQ. Maybe I can trade ES. Okay. So ENA 21 about 200. So let's go. 85. I don't get triggered by this tool. I'm not sure. A lot of times it's just one tick away, and if I get triggered, then chances are that I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna set a stop loss, trading stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, ES just engulf, and NQ is like if It arrives here. Maybe I should set a stop loss here. Build a habit. Always set a stop loss so that if the sudden huge slump happens, it does not blow my account. This is the lesson we learned from yesterday. Always set a stop loss. But it does not look good on ES. See, it's downward engulfing, while NQ is still upward. Oh, downward engulfing and get rejected. I may allow here. Okay, okay, it's so scared. It's so scared. But for NQ, but for ES, it's still sideways. For NQ, it looks like it breaks. It already closed about the trend line and retest. Get rejected quickly. But for ES, it's still sideways. Hmm. Oh, it recharged and sellers are trying to push down again. So it feels like it's still sideways. For ES, this is more obvious. Sideways trend. So next time, maybe I should be more conservative and stick to our trading principles. Set the entry right here. ES still sideways. NK still sideways. We'll see. Up to this point, it's still sideways. Never hold a position in sideways. Oh, show some momentum. At least ES is already closed above the trend line. Okay, so the continuation, kind of confirmation for the continuation uptrend. And let's see. Oh, uh-oh. Should wait for the completion of the candle. Don't conclude so early. It is getting rejected. So fast. There is the uptrend. Oh, back. And this way is still sideways. ES is still sideways. Hmm. The risk reward ratio is 4.1. Yeah, risk $226 to make 56 dollars because now it's like still sideways. So I just want to leave the trade with micro profit. Okay. Yeah. Then it looks like this is still sideways. It's just upward channel, but it's still sideways. But for ES, it's horizontal sideways. Horizontal sideways, which is more obvious. You can see clearly it is sideways. It has some upward momentum. So this is very easy to trap people. Mm. Oh, 600. Wait for the next candle. It looks like it has some momentum to get back to downward, but let's wait for it to retest here and see. And as long as it does not close above this range, then this is still sideways. Even it close around here, it's still sideways because this is the range. Uh, uh, yeah, I need to get myself distracted and check email or do something else because so that you don't get trapped in this sideway. Hmm. Yeah, now we learn need to check ES. Don't look at NQ because look NQ is like upward channel, so it's very misleading. Just wait for it really close above right there. Otherwise, this looks like a sideway. Looks like a sideway. Don't look at NQ. Look at ES. Multiple times it retest to E921. Look at ES. And wait for the completion of the candle. Hmm. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Pay, pay attention to the last meeting. You'll see here. Stabilize right there. Stabilize, stabilize. Okay, let's wait until the last minute. Okay, I think I can put a limit order right there and just see if you retest a little bit to get us on ball. No, there's something around here. It's something equivalent to yes at here. That the upper bar of the sideway. This is the upper bar of the sideway. We'll see. If you don't retest and get us back, then this is not our trade. Yes, I want to retest. I want to retest unit 21, it looks like. Okay. NQ has show clear uptrend something. So let's try yes. And complementary order will be at unit 21. We'll see. The anchor has gone a long way, so it's difficult to track. But for ES, I just retest to unit 21 at the most, so I can increase position here. But our stop loss will be here. So yeah, this is gonna be our stop loss. Oh, retest unit 21 again. Oh, so trend line is somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Is this like uh well, it's not good. This is like a reverse setup. Let's see. So maybe I should stick to my principle, like don't get in the trade, like in the middle of a range. But this is already very close to the lower bound. So I think I'm gonna bounce it back along with this upward channel. I don't know. Um, and maybe I get trapped by NQ. Or NQ just wanna retest. Okay, retest in the 21 and bounce back. Okay, but for ES, it has more intention to go down, it seems. See, NQ has been bounced back for so much. Oh, ES also get bounced back. Okay, we test to unit 21 and get pushback. So buyer still in control and quickly push back something. And if NQ becomes green in this candle, then yeah, that would be good. But this is still dangerous. It looks like ES still in sideways. Okay, NQ becomes green and keep going up. Let's see. RSI, double bottom. Okay, this is RSI divergence, so it should go up. See, RSI divergence, and this is not divergent. This is a little bit divergent, and this one is divergent. So going forward, it should keep going up. Yeah, it should keep going up. Mm-hmm. Oh, see NQ. Okay, NQ has a close. NQ, if NQ close above this peak point, then I can keep holding the trade. Then hopefully ES will catch up. ES might probably close above this line in that case. Not here yet, but NQ has already, okay, close above this line. Great. But ES is just even. So ES catch up, please. Just in case it retests, and I'm not gonna move my trading stop loss at this time. And maybe I can move it to here because I already know the retest is somewhere around here and get bounce back. Now the buyers are dominating the market. See for NQ. NQ has closed above the previous peak. Yes, should catch up. So it should continue to go up. And after the compression, if yes, close above here, I can move my trading stop loss to here to make sure at least I make something, more or less. Let's see if this candle, yes, close above here, above this line. It is only 2 minutes. Yes, keep going. Catch up with the progress. Now NQ has already exceeds the highest peak. See, ES is still hesitate here, but now it's trying to catch up somewhere around here. And once the trend starts, then it's like a high, low, high, low, something. So I can trace the 5 minute something. Great podcast chat at 1. And what's the next? 30 minutes. John and Joshua 14, like 3 p.m. And what's this? Diversify. Okay. Hmm. Guess what? Maybe I should wait for compression of this candle to move the trailing stop loss. At least it should close above the previous peak, which is this line, right? Okay, recharge, bias recharge, and keep going up. Oh, look at NQ, flush to the upside, and probably it almost arrived at the previous peak here. Yes, at some distance. Yes, not even outpace this. Does not even outpace here. Last minute. Oh, it does not close about there. Let's see. Once the price action moves about here, I will move my trailing stop loss to here. Hmm. Guess what? I can move my trailing stop loss here. Yeah, if you retest to here, then it's potentially a reversal. And I'm okay to take a micro profit and leave the trade. Oh, oh, upward momentum. But it's on my is consistent with my direction. That's good to know to see what happened. Damn. Some volatility come in, but I have stop loss. I have profit trigger. I'm not greedy, so we'll see. But for NQ, I might probably get trigger, the profit trigger or something. If I set a limit order here, then it's the same. The profit trigger will be here. That get trigger. But for ES, it's still halfway, like for this way, it's like 0.6, so it's like a retest. And for NQ is equal high. So if it started to go down somewhere around here, then I will not be surprised. So that means this is just retest level for ES. And some same thing. If we start to get rejected here, that means this is double bottom. I will see. To trade 5 minute chart means uh we definitely need to wait for the compression in the middle to make a decision for the next step rather than in the middle. If we make decision in the middle, why not look at like 3 minute or 1 minute chart? Yeah. Uh, okay. So it's at the bottom of this 15 minute chart. Okay. So this is like a liquidity sweep. Okay, everybody's thinking gonna go straight up, and I do a deep test and liquidity sweep, and continue the upside after that. And everybody's seeing, okay, maybe it's up, so maybe the reverse starts from here. And same thing for NK is equal high, and yes, it's like 0.6. Maybe I will secure like 50, $50. Yeah, I see the long rejection. I'm not feeling comfortable for the long rejection. Maybe the reverse start from here. 0.6. At least you close about here, then I can keep holding the trade. But unless you have some fair amount of solid par, then I will not trace close to your lowest peak here. $50 for this trade will be fine. Uh, what's going on? The rejection, the upward momentum, and the rejection over time. I think some people will start selling, redeem profit right there. We will start from here. We'll see. Oh, Unit 21, catch up, please. Oh, gonna kick me out. Should I take profit right now? And at least make 100. When NQ reaches the equal high, yes, only 0.6. Wow. So the reverse starts from here. We'll see if it kick us out. Okay. Only my $50. Here, not there to go long again. Reverse maybe continue to go down. And at this critical price level, so keep waiting. Watch until the compression of this candle. So some selling power is right here. Whoa. Let's see if it stabilizes right there. We can see RSI reaches the equal high. Equal high. RSI is equal high. We'll wait for the stabilize. Let's see. The hypothesis is that it can never break. Oh, cannot conclude anything. In the last meeting, it's something like some long rejection. That means fire is still very strong and it's not engulfing, so cannot conclude anything. Just wait. Just wait. Retest and kick us out from the trading stop loss and continue up. But if I don't set a trading stop loss, then probably this is a reversal, then winning trade becomes a losing trade. Now at least I make some micro profit. So there is no perfect solution here. This deep retest. It's killing me. I cannot trade with this 3 cents something. Even this is engulfing to the upside. But this is at the resistance level, so cannot go long. Even is an engulfing upward. And same thing for ES is at a 0.6. No, we'll see. Mm-mm. Uh-oh. It's not straight out. It's like retest here and straight out retest. So deep retest, a lot of deep retest, and this is very dangerous. Not easy to make money. Deep retest, yeah. Deep retest can become reversal anytime if they don't get bounced back quickly. See, even ES is a little bit engulfing. Does not count. Does not count. It just trap you to go short here. Mm. So if you look at 3 minute chart, maybe you get trapped because the compression of 3 minute will be engulfing. Oh, damn, this retest kicked me out. I hate it. So this is a resistance level. Not there to go long here unless you break it out. Break out from there and retest. I'll see where the retest happened and see if there's any like break of structure. Anyway, I make 120 today. I'm fine. Yeah, customer referral. Hmm. No variable and creation. No. Oh, one is green, one is red. Mm. You will see close about here. So this is another sideway. So to prove that you are not like this is a big retest. You continue to go up and some like sideway to collect liquidity before you move to the upside. But otherwise, if you close underneath this line, then maybe I will go short. But in that case, I probably go short for NQ because it has more space. It's like equal high here. Mm-mm-mm. So let's see. Very close. Let's see where ES close. ES does not close underneath here. That means still like sideways. Last meaning. Uh-oh, buyer still control. So quickly push it up. Okay. So not a good time to go short. Mm-hmm. Then let's see if it close above the trend line. And at least we see the ENI 21 is still like performing the defense rather than a close something. But think of ENI 21 as a range something. You go along ENI 21 and now it gradually moving up. So this is retest exactly at ENI 21. This is go beyond it, and this is not even arriving it. So we know where we can set the complementary order. Oh, still want to go down. Yeah, I don't trade. It is sideways. Because at this time, you still need to look for, I don't know, if we break here, if we close above, then maybe we can go short. And here, if you close, uh, uh, um, close and stay above this trend line, maybe I can go long around here, around here. So there will be deep retest, so no worry. No, we cannot close underneath right there. It get rejected quickly. So not a good time to go short. That's why. When can we go short? Maybe we need to set up, like for example, a break here and retest. A break here and retest. But for MQ, well, MQ is still above, way above unit 21. So very strong upward momentum. I don't know. And there's no obvious divergence. So it could be sideways around here and keep continued uptrend. See, 2 more minutes. See where it close. But this feels like a reverse trend. If I try to go short, goes uptrend, 5 minute trend, 15 minute trend, all indicating a long trend, bullish trend. So maybe you need to set up a more straight standard, break here. This is the breakout structure, and the retest is something. So let's wait for the setup. Last minute, see if it stabilizes right there. If yes, then something here. Okay. Even here, this is just a retest C. Today is deeply test. So if this 5 minute like expand like something, it's not easy to trade short here. Let's try a short here. Oh, hmm. Quickly make a couple of dollars and leave. It's not downtrend. It's still uptrend. So only look for opportunity to go long. Reverse trend is very dangerous. That's why I leave the trade quickly. Okay, 39. Maybe it's like consolidate and maybe next candle will be reverse or keep sideways. Need to wait until it breaks this trend line, and then I can go long from there. Or maybe an engulfing, but engulfing for this candle is too difficult. Difficult. Hmm. But yes, oh, maybe I get into a trade too early, but it's already engulfing. We just don't wait for the compression and too early because I see some momentum. So maybe I need to quit early. Let's see. Let's wait for the compression. If I don't wait for the compression and execute the trade, I don't always feel like, okay, it's a little bit risky. It may conclude too early. So whenever I have something that violate my principle, I just want to quit the trade as soon as possible with some micro profit. See, it falls back. It does not engulf. That's why we should not conclude too early. Principle is to say at this time it's still uptrend, so only look for long opportunity. Something, and accumulates like 150. Oh, long rejection. Yeah, it does not. It does not engulf the line. That's not about this. Not that confident. It's close about this line. Not that confident to go long from there. See? Mm, let's see. It's trying to push it up. Okay, we'll see. Oh, 71, a little bit big. But EN 21 still performing the defense here. Yes. Keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Okay, I'm fine. This is micro profit. Uh, should you retest again? It's like sideways around here. Oh, you get rejected second time. Just want to practice every day. I just make 200 like this and leave. Oh, let's see. If ES breaks the trend line, I'll trade ES. Oh, no, still get rejected by trend line. Not even get to trend line. Hmm. No worry, there will be deeply tests. There will be always deeply tests. Now it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it does not get me on board. Hmm. That's weird. One or two ticks. That's one micro contract. Sometimes you just don't get me on board. It looks like a sideway. It looks like another sideway. Mhm. Mhm. How much? Oh, $14. I just want to make $14. Trying myself to make like 200 with micro like this. Is there option? Hmm. Maybe I should not put a tray because it can outbreak anytime. Anytime. See if we extend it here. Extend it here. Yeah, this and this becomes the new triangle. That's why. As I say, I will probably like go short for NQ. Not there to trace at this point. Oh my God, eventually release. So that's why I said for the sideway, kind of sideways, then break out to the upside or downside is possible. And just wait for unit 21. Okay, unit 21. So at this proven like support level. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Eventually arrive at here. Oh, I need to set the stop loss, which is here. So it's 1.2. How? Mm-hmm. Steadily bounce back or continue. Now it does not close. Underneath unit 21, this is a little bit dangerous signal. That means probably this looks like a bullish flag. It looks like a bullish flag. Hey, I just want to make $14 and to go beyond 200. That's it. I should stick to my trading principle, which is here. It should be tested here. Okay, it's flush. Wait a minute, let me draw the channel. If it's a bullish flag. Oh, what if it's bullish? Okay, exceeds 200. I think I'm done. 11. Very cool. If I target like profit goal like 200 and it's something like this. For this one, I can make 200, but it get back traced to like 53. So if I target 200 daily profit goal, then I think it's achievable. And if I can maintain consistent something like this, then that's fine. Oh, still uptrend, but it looks like sell and buy. This is the mouse just in case it shoot one bump up. No, maybe I can set it here. Now it close underneath unit 21. Oh, maybe I can pull to unit 21 and see. So you're gonna break the lower bound of the trend line. Hmm. Um, uh, never greedy, 23, 10, 10 point something, or 12 point. Oh, remember, this is only one. So if it's one mini contract, it's already 200. Okay, I see how they trade using a mini contract and make 10 point, 12 point, something, 200 and 200, 200. This is $22. I will probably need to get a lot of trades like this. So starting from next week, I will use the next account and maintain like $200 as my daily profit goal and small position like this. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Starting from next week, I'll use this account, which is fresh, and see if I can consistently get 200 something every single day until the 3rd, July the 3rd. I'm not sure if July the 3rd there's any Juniors. We have Juneteenth and July the 3rd something, but we'll see. The thing is, it's better not to use mini contract. One mini contract is 10 times. So if it's mini contract, then maybe I cannot afford this deep retest, deep retest, something like this. So my daily stop loss will be 300 and daily profit goal will be 200. Yeah, that's why I never feel like greedy and 10 points or something, $20, $40, and I collect my profit and leave. Hmm. Okay, for years, it's already touched the lower bound. Yes, under this is, as I say, MNQ has some more space to fall, but this is uptrend. So it's very dangerous to go to follow to chase the short trend, the bearish trend, because it will bounce back. We will need to see where it bounce back. Equal high here and start double engulfing, or maybe even lower like here and show a double engulfing. That's where we can comfortably go short. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.